if you want to stick it on here, we're going to peel it off. And we're going to stick it on there. Okay, that looks pretty good. There we go. So you can see what that looks like there. There's the lens one. You can see what that looks like. And now you can see what that looks like. And we'll take a photo here. I'm going to hit the button again. So I'm going to hit the button right here, take a photo, okay? And it just took a photo and you can't see it. Oh, I think it's telling me it's covered. That's interesting. Okay, that's super interesting. Okay, so if you do take off the white part and just put it really close to it, it does seem to give you an error message and it doesn't actually get the shot. So here, I'm going to try and maybe I get this close to the microphone here and have you guys hear what I'm hearing here. I'm just going to get this super duper close here and we'll play this.
The capture LED is blocked. Unblock the front of the glasses to use the camera.
Okay, I don't know if you could hear that or not, but basically it said the capture LED is blocked, remove the block. So it doesn't like the idea, it doesn't want you blocking that, which is really a shame because I kind of like blocking it. Let's try it one more time here. Yeah, now I took a photo. So anyway, guys, I guess this is kind of a fail. If you have experience using these, let me know in the comments below. Or if you have a favorite cover or method for removing or blocking the LED light indicator, okay? Let me know, okay? Because again, it's not so much of a taking video without people knowing it or taking a photo without people knowing it. It's more of a people are really stigmatized by being recorded, and having a white light there kind of makes things worse. Think if you're like at a concert and if all of a sudden you're recording and then you have like one white light shining out of your right eye or whatever, it's going to look kind of awkward. So I'm looking for a good solution to that, primarily for maybe using it for concert shots. Although honestly, I'll probably use my phone, and I have been loving these, but just one thing, you know, I just wanted to throw out there. I know my experience with Google Glass, people don't like being recorded, so I thought maybe this might be an answer. So I'm going to keep looking into this. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.